Hi again, this is Boss KTMFX again, guys. We're back. So, guys, on this new video today, we're going to be discussing the strategy that many people from my channel inquiring about. So, guys, today I'm going to show you how this strategy works. This combination of Bitcoin bands and stochastic. So, guys, firstly, on your Bitcoin band, you have to go to the properties and set the deviations to one. I think when it comes with this, you know. I mean, the original one doesn't say one here on deviations. I think it's two or something. So what you've got to do, you've got to change the deviations to one, and then after that you're good to go. So guys, with the strategy that we're going to be discussing today, you've got to be with us for about 8 or 10 minutes, so we can get to see how this strategy works. So guys, we're using Bitcoin Benson stochastic to master our entries, and also to get our signals. So guys, again, we'll be releasing our merchandise very soon, ATMFX, and another one which is Dollar Hustler, but Dollar Hustler is an ongoing brand that isn't related to what we're doing here, but ATMFX, it's our brand, ATMFX, African Trading Movement, as our channel says so. So very soon you'll be seeing our merchandise. I will post the link so you can check it out and see, guys. So let's get to business, guys. With this strategy here, as you can see that we are on GBP, even though we didn't request the charts, because here we are not going live or with this strategy, meaning like trading live. So we're going to be showing you the strategy only, guys, how it works, where you enter, where you exit. So guys, just be with us, just be patient with us, and listen very carefully here. So guys, using this stochastic and Bitcoin band, what we do is, let me do this. What we do is, as you can see here, guys, you have to always look for points whereby the market broke this Bitcoin bands, where it's above and where it's below. That's where you're going to look for. That's where your entries are. So guys, as you can see that here the market broke this stochastic is above it, and it went all the way up. So how do we determine our signals? Because based on this strategy, you enter every time when the market broke this is above, let me say broke when it's above this Bitcoin band. So what we do is, you can see that here it was above and it even closed on above the Bitcoin bands, but then at the end it went all the way up. So guys, here what you do, here what we have to do, to make sure that your entries are always accurate. You have to look for where the stochastic creates a crossover strategy. As you can see, it was at this point. So let's see this point here. This point here, you can see it was somewhere here, and then this point, it was somewhere here. So guys, based on this strategy, what you do is, once the market is above this Bitcoin band, you wait for the Bitcoin, I mean you wait for the stochastic to be below the level of 80. That's where you can look for your entries, guys. You wait for it to be below the level of 70. And at this part here, let me highlight it with a pencil. You see, at this part here, it's the most interesting part. It's the most interesting part, guys. So let me do this. So this part here, you can see that the market did what? It broke. I mean, let me not say broke this level, because you are not using trendline strategy. It's above the Bitcoin band. So as I say, using the strategy, you have to wait for the market, I mean for the stochastic to be below the level of 80. As you can see that it was at this level here. And then what happened? The market was below the level of 80, not for long, but then went all the way up again to be above the level of 70. So trying to show you this point is, sometimes the market can be the level, can go below the level of 70 on the stochastic, but then turns back before even creating a strong trend or a momentum of a trend, guys. can go back without, go back above the level of 80 before creating a momentum of any trend, guys. So what I'm trying to show you here is, even if the market, gets to go below this level and return go back up, as you can see that at this point where it was below, this was supposed to be our entry point and it was going to be somewhere here. Or let me just indicate it with this line. It was going to be somewhere here. So you can see that even if the market had a little bit of, a draw up here, but it wasn't that much. Even your stop loss wouldn't be at this place. So the market did what it went up a little bit and then down again, up a little bit. As you can see, it was retesting this point, and then look after what happened, guys. The market went all the way down up until this point. So you can see that, guys. All you've got to do with these two indicators, you don't enter only using one. You have to use the second one to confirm your entries, guys. So guys, let's move to another point, guys. Let's move to another point, guys. Let's get to this point, guys. Let's get to this point. As you can see that, guys, here it's where it was below the level of 20. So here is where we're looking for our buying opportunities, guys. It's where we're looking for our buying opportunities. So guys, what we've got to do here again, we have to wait. As you can see that here where the market was below this level, it was somewhere here and it went all the way down again. So what we've got to do is we've got to wait for it to go below this level. As it is above, you have to wait for it to go below this. As it is below this level, you have to wait for it to go above it. So even here you can see that's what happens. Just like here, it was above and then it went up a little bit and went all the way down again, and then after that, nice uptrend. So guys, you can see that here the market did more or less the same thing as it did here. It was below, it went above and then went, can say a little bit below, or retested the level again. As you can see with this 2 points here, let me indicate with an trend line here. It retested this point here again before it took an uptrend. So guys, again, you can see even if your entry was here, even if your entry was here, the drawdown wasn't that much. It couldn't even hit your stop loss or even below your small account. Even the small account can be suited to trade with this strategy. So you can see that if your entry point was here, the market went all the way down a little bit and then after it went all the way up. So that's how the strategy is, guys. So what we've got to do is, let me try to explain it so that it can be simple. You use the Bilcon bands and the stochastic. You change the deviations of the stochastics to 1. Then after that, you have to wait where wait for where the market is above the Bitcoin band and where it is below the Bitcoin band. But again, you have to use the stochastic, to make sure that you master, or make sure that your entries are, accurate. So guys, I don't know if this video is gonna be helpful to you, but if not, guys, you've got to, you can comment down on our channel so that I can try to explain it a little bit more better. So guys, that's how the strategy is, and that's how you've got to use it to make sure that your trading becomes, super cool. So guys, don't forget to subscribe on our channel, don't forget to like, and guys, as I said, soon we'll be releasing our merchandise. You'll have to go check it out on a website that I'll be using, where you can find it. So soon enough, I'm going to post the link of a website for our merchandise, and then everything will be super good, guys. So just hope this information was helpful to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit those like buttons and even share with the friends, guys. So this is Boss KTMFX again. I'm signing out. Thanks, guys.